Good morning, everybody. You can see the Dodge Ram here, the 2005, how much we've lifted it up with just installing the lift spindles on it. Looks much better, and didn't have to do anything with the blocks on the back. It's all good, but yeah, it looks so much better. I don't know if you can see on this side here, we had to replace the upper control arm because the other one went bad. So the only other thing to do now is just get it in for an alignment. But yeah, other than that, guys, like I said, I'll step back and you can see it. It looks a lot taller. I'll even walk back over here to show you what it looks like next to the 2016. See, there you go. It's a lot higher, and it turned out really good. Let's see, there's still a couple other things we're going to be adding on to these trucks, so stay tuned, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications. We'll catch you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.